Today we're reviewing Capital One. This is Bank Truth, bringing you the best banks, rates, and reviews. Capital One is one of the banks we rely on for consistently good rates and hits 5 stars in every single category, including having a 5-star safe and sound rating. Richard D. Fairbanks started Capital One in 1988. That same year, Canada held the Winter Olympics, and a new car cost an average of less than $11,000. Fairbanks started this company believing that information technology and great people could combine to bring highly customized financial products to their customers. Today, Capital One is one of the nation's top 10 largest banks by deposits and is one of the world's most recognized brands. They offer online products across the United States and have branches in New York, New Jersey, Texas, Louisiana, Maryland, and the District of Columbia. Their corporate headquarters is in Virginia. Capital One is a world-class Fortune 500 company. Capital One has great options even for kids, which does not have any fees. Parents can even receive text alerts when the account balance is running low. No minimum amount required to open the account or minimum account balance. The Capital One 360 saving account for kids pays interest on any amount in the account, and there are no fees and no amount required to keep the account open. You will earn the same interest on whatever the balance is. Kids can upload checks through their mobile app, and adults must sign in and use a PIN to make transfers out of the savings account. Capital One 360 offers high interest rate money market accounts. The money market account does not have any fees, and there are no requirements to keep there are no required amounts to keep in the account. However, to earn the high interest rates for the money in the money market account, you have to have $10,000 deposited in the account. You will earn lower interest rate for any amount under $10,000 in this money market account, and to get the best rate, you have to have at least $10,000 in your account. Capital One savings accounts must link to a checking account when open. You can link to a Capital One 360 checking account or a checking account from any other bank. However, the savings account must be linked. The Capital One 360 checking account comes with a debit card and the possibility of checks. Capital One 360 does not offer refunds for fees charged at ATMs other than their own. So if you use a non-Capital One ATM, you will be charged a fee. Capital One has over 39,000 ATMs across the U.S., so you can find one on their website. One major consideration for any bank is the fee structure. Capital One has no fees to open any of their accounts and no monthly maintenance fees. That said, again, to get the best interest rates, you have to have $10,000 or more in your account. Capital One is consistently offering some of the highest rates available to savers. There is no minimum opening amount, so you can get an account today even if you're new to saving. They also have competitively high interest rates on a consistent basis, making them a staple for those who save a lot. Making this one of our favorite banks and one we use because its convenience, online tools, customer service, and interest rates. How does your bank stack up? Click on Open an Account to get started. This has been Bank Truth, bringing you the best banks, rates, and reviews.